What is this about?
Like I said, I'll just let the detectives explain when they get here, okay?
April 13th, 2022, Kouri Richins is detained by Summit County Police as they execute a search warrant of her home. Richins is the Utah mother who wrote a children's book about grief after the sudden death of her husband, Eric.
Can you just call my mom?
I just need to sit with you here till they get here.
Investigators had just determined that Eric Richins died from a fentanyl overdose the month before, and they were looking for the source of the illicit drug.
Need some air?
No, I'm right in front of my neighbor's house. Like, this is so embarrassing. I don't want any air.
Eric Richins was 39 years old when he died. Prosecutors say that Kouri, his wife, poisoned him by putting the drug in his drink. She denies the allegations and claims that Eric had a drug problem and accidentally ingested the fatal dose himself.
You understand you have the right to testify at this preliminary hearing, correct?
Correct.
Are you following your attorney's advice and waiving that right?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
Kouri and Eric were married in 2013. They were married for almost 9 years and had 3 young sons together. Kouri was working at a Home Depot when they met, but after they married, Eric helped her start a real estate agency. Eric was the co-owner of a stone masonry firm.
It was a good business. They were very well respected in the community, and he was very well off. He had done quite well.
The day of their wedding, they signed a prenuptial agreement that stipulated that Kouri would have no claim to Eric's business if they divorced. But if he died while they were still married, she could claim half of the company.
It was clear from their prenup and from other contracts and wills and things that they found that he was unfortunately worth much more to her dead than divorced.
Eric was a Mormon and a graduate of the University of Utah. He was an avid outdoorsman who loved hunting and fishing.
Eric was a family man who always strove to be the absolute best father and husband. He was an attentive and loving father to his 3 sons and a devoted husband to his wife of almost 9 years, Kouri, the defendant.
Investigators say there's evidence that Kouri and Eric's marriage was in trouble during the years before Eric's death. According to court documents, he had met with a divorce attorney and set up a trust in order to protect his assets from Kouri, and she allegedly was having an affair. Kouri Richens' family stands behind her, and they say there's no way she had anything to do with her husband Eric's death.
My sister, she can't even squash a spider. She loved Eric. She loved her family more than anything.